This video has two parts. First, we will show you how to securely mount stones of different sizes. Then, we will sharpen with stones of different thicknesses. This stone is secured by opposing pressure from the two MP5 clamping blocks. The MP6 locking nuts adjust the clamping pressure, while the MP8 sides lock the entire holder in place. If the stone moves, the holder may not be properly adjusted. Here's what happens when the MP8 screws are loose. Now let's tighten them and check again. For a smaller stone, turn the two MP6 locking nuts until the MP5 clamping blocks hold it securely. The sharpening stone must bridge the opening in MP4, with both ends extending beyond the edges of the opening. MP5 must also remain fully supported within the MP4 frame. If the stone is too short to meet these requirements, add a wooden or metal spacer to increase its effective length. Then turn the MP6 locking nuts until the stone is held securely. For a longer stone, loosen the MP8 screws, extend the holder, and then tighten them again. Now let's test the stones of different thicknesses in actual sharpening. Set the angle to 18 degrees. Okay. Different stone thickness, reset the angle.